In a memo to all company employees, a memo that found its way into the media, Infosys ex CEO Chris Gopalakrishnan urged each employee to save $10. If each of us saves just $10, the cumulative amount would be $1 million, he wrote. Sage advice that. Good for Infosys, good for any organization. In a large company, it's tempting for an individual employee to see large spends all around him and wonder, what difference will my $10 make? The cumulative effect, the real impact, is often hard to perceive, and that keeps us from taking that first step, keeps us from saving the $10 we easily can. It's like the that with our rants against our elected political leaders too. We are angry with the leadership. We seek change, and yet when election time comes around, we don't bother to vote. After all, we argue what difference does one vote make, and so it goes on. We don't bother too much about throwing litter from our cars onto the streets either. The city is so dirty, what difference will another empty packet of chips make? It's like that at work too. We see a big problem, and faced by its enormity, we stop taking those small baby steps towards solving it. The tale of the woman and the starfish. An old man walking on a beach one morning noticed a young woman walking ahead of him. As she walked, she would bend down every now and then, picking up starfish and throwing them back into the sea. Catching up with the woman, he asked her why she was doing that. She replied that the poor starfish had got washed ashore at night and would probably die in the morning sun. But this beach stretches for miles, and there are probably 1 million starfish on the shore, countered the old man. How will your effort make any difference? The young woman looked at the starfish in her hand, flung it into the water, and said, well, it sure make a difference to that one. In our lives and careers, we regularly come across such starfish moments, seemingly insurmountable problems where your individual contribution to the solution seems small, almost trivial. The next time that happens to you, your starfish moment, remember you could do one of the two things. Either shrug your shoulders and say, why bother? What difference can it make? Or take that small step and do your bit. The beach may be long, there may be millions of starfish, but throwing one back means one life saved. You can make a difference. Thank you.